Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art and Happy New Year to you guys. And I know I've been off for a while, but I'm really glad to be back. And let's get started with a character from the Loud House, and this time it's gonna be Lucy. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw Lucy, and to begin we're gonna start out with her nose, which is a little bit odd, right? But then you can't really see her eye, so just draw one little curve like this going up, and that's gonna be her nose. And then from there we're gonna draw her hair. So we're gonna go out 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then from there we're gonna draw a couple more here. So 1, 2, that's 2 smaller ones. And then we're gonna be 1, and then another big one right here. Okay, so then that kind of covers up her eye. So we're gonna come down a little bit, draw her mouth. So just right beneath the nose, just draw a little curve like this for her mouth. And then from there, we're gonna draw the side of her face. So we're gonna draw her little hairline right here. So just on each side, just come down a little bit. Okay. And then from there, we can finish up the face. So just kind of go all the way around. Okay. And then from there, let's draw her hair. So this is gonna go up pretty high up. So from the side here, we can just kind of keep going up. Okay, and then we're gonna make one big curve. Just kind of curve it all the way around. Okay, and then we're gonna come down. We're gonna stop right around here. And then we're gonna draw her ear. So we're gonna draw one little line there. And we're gonna draw curve, and then for the inside it's just gonna be 2 little curves like that. Okay, and then once we have this, now we can finish up the hair. So we just come down, just 3 little lumps like that. So it's really simple, right? So then on the other side we're gonna draw 1 and then 2, just 2 lumps. Okay, so then we're gonna go all the way across. Draw the other ear. Then same thing, just 2 little lines. And that's pretty much for her head. So now for her bodies, it's just gonna be really small. So right underneath the mouth here, just draw 2 little lines like this. It's gonna be her neck. And just taper it into a corner. And now we're gonna draw a little shirt, a little collar. Okay, and then from there we can draw her body, which is going to be really simple. So we're just going to draw 2 little lines straight down, very skinny, right? So very small bodies. And then once we have that, now we can draw her arms. So we're going to go, okay, now give her some thickness. And now for her hand, which is going to be really small. So that's gonna be her thumb. And I'm just gonna have her kind of waving. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, not a lot of detailed. And then on the other side, we're gonna go straight down next to her body and then close it off. And then for her hand, we're just gonna give a little bit of a clump here. So you can't really see much because it's so small. Okay, and then once we have this, now we should probably finish up her hair. So this is gonna be the back of her hair, so we're just gonna draw 2 little curves like this, and then on this side as well. So that's gonna be the back of her hair. Okay, and then once we are down, let's move down to her legs. And then on the other side, we're gonna draw another one. Kind of flares out a little bit. Close it off. And then the other side. Close it off. And now we can draw a shoe. So it's like, looks like it's kind of like slipper. So just draw one little curve like this, and then we're gonna draw the rest of the shoe, just kind of rounded. And then on the other side, we're just gonna see that. Okay, and then from there, let's draw some lines here, right? So on the little details right here. So we're just on the arm. And then on this side as well. Okay, and then for the leg, the little stocking, so we just draw 2 lines like this. And then now we're gonna draw little lines across. So really easy. And that's it for this Lucy drawing from the Lau house. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.